How to fix Monopoly Go not working. If you want to fix if your Monopoly Go game isn't working for some reason, the first thing you want to make sure is your internet connection is stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can switch to cellular data or vice versa. After that, if you're using Android, open up settings. Once you open up settings, I want you to scroll down and simply go to the option called apps. From the apps section, you want to go ahead and then simply search for the Monopoly Go game right over here. So let me also go ahead and then do that right here. Once you go to Monopoly Go to the storage option of that particular game, then clear the cache files and clear the data. Remember that this will log you out of your account and so on, so make sure that you remember your information. After that, go to your Play Store or App Store, check if the Monopoly Go game has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you should be able to fix if Monopoly Go isn't working. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.